Activity Progress System.
Activity Progress System is a plugin that lets you gain bonuses for repeatedly doing activities, like in Stardew Valley, The Elder Scrolls IV Oblivion, and Romancing SaGa. An activity can be anything you do in the game: farming, buying and selling items, cooking, dealing and taking damage, and so on. All you have to do is add it to the parameters list and you're set. But wait, how do you get better at it? Simple. Have your actor gain activity experience for doing the activity. You could do this in events, in note tags, or even in code. Once your actor gains enough activity experience, it levels up. You can tie all kinds of bonuses to that level up. You can stagger the bonuses so that they happen every 2 levels, or give a one-time bonus at a specific level. Look, Harold's getting stronger already. Activities can be sorted into categories you set in the plugin parameters, or you can leave them unsorted. Make your own custom scenes with 1 or more categories, like our affection screen here. Look, Harold has so many friends! With just these basics, the Activity Progress System can radically change your game. Just in the demo project, you can do farming, eating, cooking, sleeping, punching, taxes, mining, shopping, magic, talking, music, woodcutting, having a midlife crisis, sharing your dark secret with a friend, getting betrayed, burying the body, and fishing. You can use note tags to set the starting activity levels for an actor or class, or make an activity start locked so it can't gain experience until you unlock it. Make a skill that gives you or the target activity experience, or an item that gives activity experience when consumed. You can even use activity levels in damage formulas. Weapons and armor can give you activity experience on attacking and defending. You can even check for what kind of damage you took to determine what experience to give. Want to level up by beating enemies? Enemy note tags have you covered. You can even have a system like in Dark Cloud where you get stronger based on the enemy types you beat. Want to have tired and well-rested bonuses? State note tags have you covered with EXP Multipliers. You can even give out activity experience for states being applied or removed from actors. Any activities you set up via eventing can be made with plugin commands. You can even enable and disable the activity progress system mid-game. Check out all these examples and more in the demo project. And if you want something more advanced, use the functions that gain experience parameter to make it so that whenever a specific function is called in your game, you gain activity experience. Taking a step in the overworld, that's walking experience. Buying something from a shop, gain 1 shopping experience for every 10 gold you spend. Trying to grow a spine, gain 4 activity experience whenever you say no. You can reference base RPG Maker functions, any functions added by other plugins, or even write your own if you're really cool. The possibilities are endless. Insert joke here.
Wait, we were actually supposed to write a joke for that part.
Revolutionize your RPG Maker project with just 1 plugin. Available for both RPG Maker MV and MZ. Get it now on our store page. Achieve the game of your wildest dreams today with
Activity Progress System.